was a big fish. Holy cow, that was a big bass. Man, that was awesome. Get out of those weeds. Got him. Whew. Well, that got exciting real quick. Oh, and he threw my frog already. Keep my foot on him. Get out of those weeds. Dang. Look at that dude. That's a good fish right there. Shot for the pole cam. Nice largemouth bass. Probably, I'm guessing 14. Let's see. Estimated. No, 15. Right at 15 inches. Nice, dude. All right, let's get you on the old Dave's log real quick. What do you say? You cool with that? Just hold still. All right, I'm cool, you're cool, we're all cool. Nice. All right, my dude, go tell the story about what happened. Hope they believe you. Tell Cersei it was me. Off he goes, straight down. Man, that's cool. Yep, even shows it on my fish finder, straight down to the bottom. All right, well, let's check my knot, see if we can do that again. It is hard to beat fall evening frog fishing. Oh, those big bass. Holy cow. I know I say that every time, but I got to see that dude hit. I do not want to lose this guy. Oh, my Lanta, you are my woman. Whew. Man, he's bending my net. Back up the bus out of the weeds here. All right. Whew. That's a big bass. Ugh. Look at you, old son. You were definitely getting a measurement. Man, I wish I didn't lose my measuring board in the water last time. All right, so that's about 17, right at 18. Oh, you got the shakes. Pole cam view, 18-inch, big old bucket mouth, largemouth bass. Dang, dude, you are something. Cannot believe how big you are. Can barely get you in the frame, homie. That is fantastic. What a big dude. He likes that frog. All right, back you go, homie. Oh, that's cool. Man, that topwater frog fishing never gets old. I don't care who you are. That's the magic right there. That is electric. like high voltage electric. Awesome. All right, well, it is about 15 minutes before sunset, and I don't have my lights hooked up, so I'm going to call it an evening and hit the boat ramp straight up there and call it a night. It's been good. I caught, a 15-inch and an 18-inch bass, both on the old Topwater frog. It's hard to beat the old fall time evening Topwater frog bite, so I could do that every day, all day, and never get tired of it. Lots of muskrats, lots of ducks, and lots of other cool wildlife to see. Nice, cool, beautiful conditions and everything, and had a good time. So hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one.